Hello people, welcome to High Speed Board Design course of System on Module by STM-PCB. This course has 13 number of sections. In each section we will discuss from the selection of component to its schematic design and layout, as you can see on the screen, and we'll also going to discuss how to extract selected information from the requirement sheet for the processor, SDRAM, eMMC, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modules. We'll also going to discuss how to choose a processor by defining its number of core, cache memory, the bandwidth of the processor, clock requirement, etc. We'll also going to discuss different architecture of processor, for example Little Big CPU and its memory organization using its data sheet and design guidelines document. We'll also discuss types of internal and external SDRAMs, for example DDR and DDRX variants, and we'll discuss their enhanced version as well. We will compare the external SDRAMs up to DDR5 and LPDDR5 in very detail through the comparison table. We'll also discuss different signal groups of SDRAM, data, address and command signals, control and clock signal groups in very detail. In this course, we will develop a set procedure on the selection of SDRAM, PMIC, eMMC, Wi-Fi module, processor for mobile application. And we will going to discuss how to read the data sheet of different component used in this board. For example, the processor chip, which is RK3399, 2GB LPDDR4 SDRAM, 16GB eMMC, PMIC, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modules, etc. We will do the pin mapping of SDRAM, eMMC, SDIO, MIPI, CSI and DSI, EDP, Type-C, USB 3.0, 2.0, SDMMC, etc. with RK3399 using a simple Excel sheet. We will also do how to design a schematic of a processor for SDRAM, for eMMC, Wi-Fi, PMIC using their respective data sheet and design guidelines document. After that, we'll start discussion on different Wi-Fi module. We'll discuss the certification and the regulations as per US, Europe and Canada. We'll also discuss impedance profiles for more than 1000 interconnects on a simple Excel sheet. So we will basically define the impedance profile, width of the track, the gap between the track for differential and single-ended high-speed tracks. We'll also discuss the layer stack-up for 4-layer, 6-layer, 8-layer and 12-layer from very scratch, and we will discuss if we have to add more layer, what should be the set procedure for adding and removing the layers from layer stack-up. We'll also discuss how to verify the layer stack-up from different manufacturer and what should be the criteria. We'll also do the layout planning for lot of high-speed tracks. We will define the length matching for all of those, and another thing is we have to plan the power planes. So in this board we'll have 12 layer stack up on which we have 2 power planes. So we will see how we can do the planning or the sectioning of those power planes and their optimization. In the next step we will do the optimization of layout, and this is again the loop process. We have to go through multiple optimization of layout and placement. And we will also learn the fan out of, like how to start the fan out of 828 pads of RK3399, 200 pads of LPDDR4 SDRAM and 180 pads of eMMC. We'll discuss everything in very detail. So I hope you're going to enroll this course. In case of any doubt, you can just drop me a mail at stmpcb.info@gmail.com, or you can reach out to me through my LinkedIn profile. Thank you.